Get yourself some bread? Huh?
Hello.
There you go. There you go. You can do it. Good job. Yay! You like your fork, huh? You did such a good job with your fork yesterday at the zoo, but we didn't have the camera there. Yay! Can you get it?
Hello.
Yeah, Mommy help you. Okay. Mommy will get it. Well, this was a tough one, huh? There you go. Yeah. Yeah, Mommy cut the bananas too thin. But you can get your bread. Yeah, I think that one's going to be hard to get. Let's go for this one. Huh?
Hello.
Okay. Mommy help you. There you go. Whoops. Good job. Yeah, that one's going to be hard to get. Oh, let's get that one. You can do it. Good girl. Mmm. Yeah, the bananas are kind of tough. Mommy's going to have to help you with the bananas. They keep falling apart. It's not a very ripe banana, huh? Not like the banana yesterday at the zoo. You finally figured out you can just stick it on there with your fingers? You want to stab it? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Good job. Yay. My big girl. Yeah, you're out of bread, aren't you? Mommy, get you some more, okay?